Hey guys, guess what? I got another package. Here it is. So we're gonna open it. I'm assuming this is the sync module that was supposed to come. So I'm gonna open it up. Wait. Alright guys, here it is. It's the sync module. With a bent transistor looking thing, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, this is a sync module, so its model number is this is the wheelock 12-24 SM sync module. So yeah, I'm gonna use this on my system because it has two wheelock devices that can be synchronized using this sync module. Now I'm not sure if this one could synchronize the wheelock Exceeder LED3 series, but I think it could synchronize zero. This should be synchronizing the wheelock LED3 series horns. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to wire up the devices to this. So first of all, let's take a look at the parts on the back. Over here we got the relay, which would be making the clicking and clacking sounds while trying to synchronize the system. Here we have like another relay thing. And this is the whole back of the sync module. And this is the front. I think the model number is... Let me look for the model number wherever it is written on this. Nope. Not here. I think it should be right here. The wires are a little thick on this. Maybe this used to be used on this system in a commercial building. Oh, it tells us how much power it can get, but it doesn't really tell us its exact model number. Oh well, the listing said that this was a wheelock SM sync module. So yeah, let's wire up some devices to it and test it. Alright guys, so it took me 1 hour to figure out how to wire the sync module. So but now now I know how to wire up the sync module. It's gonna get power from my panel, 21 volts and 0.5 amps. It doesn't work on my batteries because they're dying out. But anyways, here we go. My RSS is working on it. I can't use my audible wheelock devices, but I'm gonna... Let's see if my Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe works on it. Alright guys, as you can see, I wired my wheelock RSS and my Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe in a series circuit, and they're going to get the sync output from the... They're going to get the sync output from the wheelock SM sync module. So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Yep. My Commander 3 remote strobe is also following the sync protocol. So yeah, the Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe was able to follow the sync protocol. So yeah guys, This is the unbox and review of my new wheelock SM-12/24-R sync module. I'm gonna use this sync module in my future system test. So yeah guys, I'm not really sure about when I might do a system test because I have my final exams going on right now. If you are a middle schooler in Houston, Texas, you know what I mean. So yeah guys, that's the unboxing review of my wheelock SM. Bye.